Hi friends, very good morning. After a long time, I am capturing this video. This is the father, Choco, this kitty, Pippi Guppy. Mother is in the other balcony and they're having their breakfast. I have planted a few millets and sweet corns. The millets has started growing. This is sweet corn. Sweet corn is growing. I'm so happy. I'm growing them for my birds. Sweet corn is growing, see. So this is my small garden for my birds. They never disturb the plants. Choco, be quiet. Kitty, kitty boy, kitty, Pippi Guppy.